Guess what today is? It's square body day. You walk in the shop today, you think you came straight into the late 80s, early 90s. Nothing but square bodies. But really, it's just Wednesday. So, another day for us. A lot of these trucks getting a lot of upgrades. A lot of them have been here before, getting some additional work done. Some of them are first timers. So we'll walk you around, show them to you. A lot of square body fans out there, I know. So a lot of these will intrigue you, and we'll do a video on just some of these trucks here soon, so you can look at a really in-depth look at them. This one right here just came in for disc brakes and a couple of little additional pieces. Really nice paint job on this truck. 12 inches of lift, 22 16s, 1-ton crossover steering, small block, turbo 400, 14-bolt axle. Really cool piece. Come over here to this one. Beautifully restored truck. I mean, this thing looks like it came out of Grandpa's garage. Even got the mud flaps on it. We're getting ready to put an 8-inch kit on this truck. 35 boggers, 16-inch wide, custom built Pro 6 real wheels. Give you a little preview of that. Wow. That's going to be a really nice piece. If you've seen our other family's channel, Davis Drives, you've seen this 79 8-door 3/4 ton big block Suburban. This is like a limo but cooler. That door's locked. That didn't work, did it? That one's locked too. Great day. Let's go around here. Ah, success. The seats just keep going. We're going to be doing a video on this truck from a 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive conversion. 1 tons, 488s, 40-inch boggers, custom built 16-inch wide wheels. It's going to be getting a custom wrap right in the center. We're going to take some of this older Harley Davidson paint off of it and do a satin white wrap through the center. Leave the top and bottom baby blue with some of the original pinstriping. This truck is all original. There's only 4 of these produced in the world. Had a conversion van, high top roof, the big old fiberglass guy that some of you guys might have seen in the late 80s, early 90s, and that was actually cut off with an actual metal roof skin put back on, so it looks like a whole lot better like this. And it's going to be sick with the tire and wheel combination. Here's one that I'm definitely going to do a video on for you guys. We built this truck about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. This may be one of the baddest K30s in the nation, and we'll do a very in-depth video on this. Big block, was a turbo 400. We're currently putting a 4L80E in it from Ballard Performance. MP205 case, Dana 60 in the front, Dana 70 out back, 456 gears, custom paint, custom interior, power steps built by us. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful build. This is a good customer of ours, and we do a lot of square bodies for them. This is their latest, but not their last. Stay tuned for a video on that one. We had another one leave out a little earlier, a little short bed square body that we did our crossover and track bar steering setup. It was just a mediocre truck, but a really nice outcome on the ride and drive. And that leads us to this bad boy. We will do a full video on this truck. This is going to be a complete build out all the way to finished product. It has been in the corner for a little while, but we are back on it. 572-inch big block, turbo 400, divorced SCS helical cut 2-wheel drive disconnect case, fully built bolt-on subframe, triangulated 4-link, trussed front and rear, Dana 60 14 bolt, 44 boggers, custom one-off built 15 by 18 bead locks, full TIG welded cage. This is going to be one bad ride. We've got the mock-up 4-link bars on it right now that we cut, lengthen, shorten, all that on our projects to get them to the exact appropriate length to do these massive 2¼ inch 70-75 aluminum links. So once again, be on the lookout. I'll have a full video up on that here soon, once we have a little bit more time to get on that kind of coverage. You guys that know us know we're square body freaks. We have a lot of personal trucks. They're getting very popular to restore. We're seeing a lot of them for upgrades every day. Pretty cool to be able to see them come back around like this. And they're only getting more popular. So stay on the lookout. Like I said, you'll see some more videos of these trucks. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe. We'll keep on showing you this stuff. We really appreciate y'all.